What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over Polygon, guys. We're going to go over a little announcement on their Twitter as well as the technical analysis. So if you get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So we're up 2% on the day. We're having a bit of that rollover that I was talking about in yesterday's video, and we're up 148%. Insane pump for Polygon over this last week. Setting new all-time highs. So we have that market cap of 4.37 billion, 24-hour volume 2.39 billion. So we'll quickly hop to the Twitter. So we can see here on their Twitter, here it is. So Polygon is delighted to share that Raz Network is integrating with Polygon to improve the scalability of its Raz token and to make the best use of its low-cost ecosystem to explore yield farming and other token related programs. So Polygon is constantly integrating with other companies, other tokens. They're always having new partnerships and constantly releasing news on their Twitter, which is exactly what we want to see. So let's hop over to the technical analysis. So we're here, guys, on the 1 hour chart. Just let me make it a little bit more visible for you guys. It's a little bit bearish here on the 1 hour. We can see we had a head and shoulders pattern here. And here's our neckline. So we've had a head and shoulders, and we've broken through the 20 EMA on the 1 hour chart. And you can see we haven't broken through it as much as we have right now in these last 3 days or so. So that's a little bit bearish, but a good sign is we've found support here on the 50 EMA, and we have not broken the neckline. So what we want to see, let me quickly get these lines out of here. What we want to see is that we're able to trend back upwards and have our 20 EMA here come back underneath the candles, and we can start heading towards our price target of 98 cents. We are extremely overextended on the 1 day, but I'll quickly pop. Hopefully what we want to see is we find support here on this 50 EMA and start trending back upwards. But here on the 4 hour, well, I'll show you guys the 1 day chart. Even on the 4 hour, you can see, let me pop it back over to the 4. You can see that we've broken away from the 20 EMA and we started to roll over a little bit, which I talked about in yesterday's video. And really what we want to see is that we roll over and allow for the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles here, have some consolidations before hitting that price target of 98 cents. We are more overextended than we have been on this entire bull run. You can see here we're overextended, but if we look here on the daily, we're extremely overextended from the 20 EMA on the daily. So we should see a correction eventually. You can see here we're overextended, and then we correct and we find the 20 EMA once again, and we landed on the previous swing high is where we found some support. So there is always the possibility that we roll over, and hopefully what we want to see on the Fibonacci is that we find support here at 71 cents. But there's also always the possibility that we roll over and we correct further. If we were to break 71 cents, our previous swing high is at 55 cents. You can see right here, previous swing high, 55 cents. But hopefully we don't correct that much, but we're so just extremely overextended on the daily. I mean, it's a beautiful pump and we love to see it. But these kind of pumps, they can lead to pretty major corrections. So what I'm hoping happens here is we find, let me just get out my price target so I can make it more visible for you guys. We roll over, we consolidate, the 20 EMA catches back up, and we're able to continue to trend upwards. But the daily EMA also needs to catch back up to the candles, and we're just so overextended. So I'd love to see us, roll over, find support here at 71 cents. The 20 EMA catches back up, and then we can find that consolidation, that stabilization before we can head towards our price target of 98 cents. Now, if we do continue to pump, guys, I'll show you it here on the 1 hour. If we do continue to find support and the bulls step in, and we start trending back upwards, the 20 EMA comes back underneath the candles, we're going to have some serious resistance here. Here's your price target of 98 cents for Polygon. All right, guys. So It's beautiful to see, but always consider your stop limits if you bought in on the low here down at the bottom, as we're just super overextended on the daily, and we're definitely due for a correction. All right, guys, crypto game, we're going to see these kind of pumps, but I'm hoping we don't pump any further, because the harder we pump, the harder we correct. All right, guys, so hopefully we start to see some consolidation, some stabilization, and we can get our 20 EMA here to catch back up to the candles before we continue upwards. As you can see here, guys, I'll just show you in the past for Polygon, we're overextended, and then we correct and we fall onto our previous swing high, and then we start trending back upwards. We're overextended, we break away from the 20 EMA, and we correct and we find support on the 50 EMA, and now we're just extremely overextended. So I'm hoping we'll consolidate in this 71 cent area, because we have to, guys. You can't just pump. You can't just pump, right? You're going to roll over, you're going to correct, and you're going to come back and find support along the EMAs. So hopefully that area is 71 cents. So guys, always consider your stop limits, or if you're just a long-term holder riding the waves, then you're excited to be holding some Polygon right now. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Quick shout out to, oh yeah, I'll show you guys Ethereum real quick, because Polygon is in the Ethereum blockchain. We can see here Ethereum on the 1 day is also extremely overextended, and when we overextend, we have to come back and find support on the 20 EMA. So we're currently overextended, so I'm hoping we come back and find support at 25.30. If we just keep pumping, well, our next price target is 29.76, and then maybe we can roll over and find some support here at 26.51. But most likely what will happen, as we can see here, when we overextend, we come back and we find support. We found support here on the 50. Even here we found support on the 50 EMA. So it's possible that we roll over and find support on the 50 EMA as it creeps up. But I would like to see it where we find support here on the 20 EMA. All right, guys. So that's it for Matic. Shout out to the Discord real quick. Hey guys, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Smash that like button if you got any value. And we have a beautiful Discord community of over 1,000 members where we talk all things. Well, nobody wants to see Jack's YouTube uploads. All things crypto. We have open chat room, juicy crypto chat. We have stock chat, penny stock chat. And then we have rooms for all our popular coins: ADA, ankr, BTT, Tron, Wing, Dent, Engine, Hot, One, STMX, safemoon, VET, VRA, and XRP. All right, guys. So beautiful community here. We're always chatting, always, you know, giving our opinions and sharing fun facts. Even I hop in there sometimes when I can to chat with the community. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a terrific rest of your day. Let me know your thoughts on Polygon, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.